Good morning, children. We will be talking about missing numbers. If you know the answer, shout it aloud so that the teacher can hear you well. There are 25 items for you to answer, and please take note of your score at the end of the session. Your score tells you about how good are you in the subject matter. So make it good, kid. You may use your paper and write down items 1 to 25 and your corresponding answers. Are you ready? Here are the questions. Good luck. Question number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Question number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. Number 10. Number 11. Question number 12. Number 13. Number 14. Number 15. Sixteen. Number 17. Number 18. Number 19. Question number 20. Number 21. Number 22. Number 23. Number 24. Number 25. Congratulations! This ends the lesson for the day. I hope you make it good. Otherwise, you will make it better the next time. This is Teacher Edward saying bye-bye, but don't forget to visit, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye.